Hello, and welcome to this brief live demo of my final project at Flatiron School called Wunder. Wunder was made as an innovative retail platform to help retailers give a great, unique experience to customers by providing a live on-demand expert. In this particular case, I created this application with a supermarket in mind. This application would be great for a standalone touchscreen kiosk or for a mobile app. I'll be going over the features of the application as well as some of the programming features I've implemented along the way. This is the landing page for Wunder using custom CSS for the nav bar as well as the landing page itself to give a great, clean, modern, beautiful presentation. Using GSAP's TweenMax, I've also added this simple animation for when customers first use the application. If a customer doesn't log in and enters the application, they're brought to the main menu, where I also have some simple animations done, as well as custom CSS. Once again, if a customer is not logged in, they will only have access to browse a supermarket's items. So if they were to browse the items, all the items of the supermarket would be shown. In this case, I've made a custom database of items, all custom edited myself, to give a clean, modern, fun, colorful approach to showing items of a supermarket. Also, when a customer hovers, in this case, if Whole Foods was using the application, their logo would be shown. And when a customer goes in to get more details, they get more details about the current item, as well as a 3D map of where they currently are, simulating where the kiosk would be, or their mobile application access. And there's a beacon flashing the location of the item in the store. If they go back and, for example, choose a different item, strawberries, you can see that depending on the item's location, the location can change on the map by the beacon accordingly. A customer can also click the store map and see an enlarged version of the map and see where they currently stand in the store as a good frame of reference. So now let's log in. If you click this button, a custom CSS animation, we're going to log in. And now they have access to the recipes and also the Chef Connect, which is the main highlight of this application. For a supermarket, a great live expert would be a chef. So let's go in. Here, this particular supermarket has Iron Chef Bobby Flay and Iron Chef Morimoto on staff. This was all done with custom CSS. And now on another window, I made Golf Fan as well. We have Tiger Woods logged in here, and he's also going to go into the Chef Connect. Let's see, he wants to speak to Chef Bobby Flay. He says, "Hi, Chef." And just like a real text, if it's yours, it appears on the right, and if it's not, it's on the left. And Chef Bobby Flay will respond, "Hi, Tiger," and instantaneously, using Websockets, we have instantaneous chat available. And let's say Tiger says, "No meat recipes, please." And then, I don't know if you noticed, but in the chef's chat room, there's an SMS button. And so the chef can utilize that. And I have integrated Twilio into my application. And right now to my cell phone, simulating Tiger Woods' cell phone, in this case being the customer, I just received Bobby Flay's famous fish taco recipe via SMS on my cell phone. This was the main functionality of Wunder, but for the future, I'd love to add some great other features, such as another box here representing an items database for the chef to search in real time with the customer, be able to choose ingredients and a custom recipe. And once both parties agree upon the recipe and the ingredients, the chef would be able to text that as well, and the customer would receive the recipe, the list of ingredients, as well as the exact location of all those ingredients in that particular supermarket. And you can also see how this could be dynamic not only to a chef, but you could also add a nurse, a dietitian, or these other experts. And this would not be limited to just a supermarket, but think of the applications you could use this for. Let's say a department store. You could have a stylist and a fashion designer on standby for clothing. And also, I think it's great because all three parties, being the customer, the retailer, and the expert, would all benefit in a great win-win situation, being the customer gets a great unique experience, the retailer would satisfy current customers and possibly even get new customers because of this great application, and they would probably save on some payroll expenses because rather than having, for example, 10 different chefs at 10 stores, they could have two chefs at a remote commercial kitchen being able to service customers of 10 different stores using a queue system of a first come, first serve, and customers pinging the chefs in a first come, first serve basis. And the expert really likes it because they would be able to work remotely, at the same time be able to serve a lot more customers. So it'll be very fulfilling for the experts as well. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed watching Wunder. Thank you.